I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Well, this is a pneumatic chisel. Chicago Pneumatic is the brand. It's a pretty good brand. We're going to see how it works. First I have to change out this fitting on the hose so it matches my quick disconnect. I'm just doing it temporary, so I'm not going to bother with the pipe dope or Teflon tape or anything. I'm just going to put it on there. Check and make sure this fits my air chuck first. Yep, we got to fit. Okay. Like I said, just a quick test to make sure the impact driver or the impact hammer works. This was originally marked 50, and when I picked it up, I got it for 5. So I'm hoping it works, but I'm not terribly upset if it doesn't do everything I want it to. When the hose inflates, it'll move around on you. Well, doesn't look good so far. We'll put a chisel in it and see if that makes any difference. It runs. Needs some oil. Little 5W30 because that's what's handy. fine. Cool. This kind of unit, you take that out. Looks like it's a little tight in the cup and the fitting here. There we go. Cool. I have an air hammer. This is an old one I've had around that doesn't work. So, I'm thinking now that I got one working, this one can go in the scrap bin because it's not functional. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.